The cleaning of 3D humidifiers is usually done once a year. This is in spring the case at the end of the season. Here we show you how to do this, including the reinstallation with a new panel. This video shows it in real time, which lasts 16 minutes, including preparation and clearing. Reserve 20 to 25 minutes, once a year. First, the water tank comes away as seen. Then we lift the top plate by pushing it up with our dump. We then pull them slightly to the side and get to the screw head with the screwdriver. We turn it off about one turn, so we can now lift the appliance from the screw and bring it into the kitchen. There, we remove the cover plate, including the hose. Now it's the poster's turn, pushing the clamping rail backward and pulling it out upward. We can simply pull out the lime scale separator and dispose of it. From the complete carrier, we detach the capillary and the collecting basin. Below and above the clamp, pull the carrier string outward with 2 fingers. For cleaning, we use a quick descale. With a brush, you can wipe out the basin. The unit we use for cleaning comes from a protected workshop and has not been cleaned for years. Nevertheless, this is done very quickly and perfectly. Pour the quick descale into the capillary and collection basin and then wipe it out with the brush. Of course, you can move the video forward at any time. This to discover the process a bit faster.
Die Evakuierungsmissionen im Sudan laufen also auf Hochtouren unter preisgefährlichen Bedingungen, bewegen verschiedene Staaten ihre Bürgerinnen und Bürger aus dem Land. Dort gerät die Lage mit dem aktuellen Kampf um die Macht zunehmend außer Kontrolle.
Sie sind der Gewalt im Sudan entkommen. Am frühen Morgen landet eine Maschine der deutschen Bundeswehr mit Evakuierten in Berlin. An Bord waren laut Auswärtigem Amt rund 100 Deutsche, ihre Familien und Angehörige weiterer Partnerstaaten. Weitere solche Evakuierungsflüge sind geplant. Die USA und Japan schicken Flugzeuge, aus Europa fliegen Frankreich, Großbritannien, Schweden, die Niederlande, die Türkei und Italien ihre Bürgerinnen und Bürger mit Hilfe des Militärs aus dem Sudan aus. Diese Aktion soll die Vorbereitung der Befreier
Then rinse under the tap.
Das fehlende Geld einkassieren. Neue Ergänzungssteuer bezahlen müssten nur Konzerne, die über 750
The 3 carrier bars can also be quickly cleaned with the brush. To do this, we add some descale into the rod. The next thing we do is to take the water tank under the tap and fill it with 1 to 2 deciliters of water. We add some washing up liquid to this. There is no need for this scale as no water can evaporate from the water tank. It is important to put a cleaning rag in it and then swing it with the water in the water tank. So the rag will rub down the walls and everything will be super clean. Now we take the rag out of the tank again, rinse it, dry it, it fits. We can also clean the closure with the brush. We use the quick descale from the rod again. The funnel, called control tube as well, can be pulled out and reinserted. Please blow out the closure as shown in the picture. This is that water comes out of the air borehole, which have been filled with water during the washout. Everything is cleaned now, so we can reassemble the parts. Therefore, we simply press the carrier strings into the clamp from the side with our finger. First the capillary basin, then the catch basin. Make sure that the ribs comes to rest on the intermediate beams at the back. I dry out the basins before I fix them. The control hose gets only slightly dirty at the bottom and can be cleaned out with a cotton swab. If the whole hose needs to be cleaned, then would we need to clean the whole inside of the control hose? Then we also do this with a cotton swab. We moisten these on one side with quick descale. First, wipe out the plug. Then we tie the cotton swab to an asterisk thread, strong thread, that has a nail tied on the other side. We let then the nail slide through the tube and pull the cotton swab through the tube with the nail and the thread. Then side ahead. The inside of the hose is quickly cleaned. If the thread breaks, blow out the cotton swab with a bicycle pump. Instead of a nail, you can also use a thick needle. Simply pull the thread through the eye of the needle as you would when sewing. As an alternative, pierce the cotton swab with an electric wire. As you can see, the cleaning is very easy and can be done throughoutly. Nikonos humidifiers are trimmed for high cleanliness and hygiene. We recommend the cleaning to be done once a season. Now let's go to the room where we put it back in its place. We have already learned how to do this. That's why we just run it without comment. As you can see, none of this is rocket science. We have done it within 6.5 minutes. The humidifier is back on the wall and can be refilled next autumn. We recommend using these household appliances. The use as shown here in the bedroom is particularly effective. Moisture comes to you, to the pillow. If you still have questions, visit our homepage. There you will find the address, the email, phone and WhatsApp.